So, you must have everyone, we're back again with another video today. And in today's video, we have a really cool guy by our side. Bro, please introduce yourself.
Hello, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sam, this is Sumit, whatever you call me. But I run a vlog by the name of In the Living Reality, where I share information about my journey. And I'm sharing a lot of information about science, which is neglected in the country that I live in. This is India. This man is great. He's making some vlogs about the language that is English. So I was telling him that if you're working on making this language as your priority, I would say that make it as a first language. And how do you do it? Learn from people. Learn from people who made it, not from the ones who are making it.
Yeah.
So, like, you can go and get yourself with the British accent. First, work on accent, work on pronunciation, because the way it resonates, the feelings come from inside. So, in the end, eventually, what matters is that people publicly should feel that yes, this is the right aspects of making this as a language course. So I would say that he's doing hard, and he should practice and keep making it as a hard thing. But for that junoon to develop, I think gradual progress is absolutely imperative. And for that junoon, passion, you have to work in spite. कोई भी दिक्कत आ जाए, आपको निकल के आना पड़ेगा. Every day, every morning, every minute, every second. Then a day will come कि आपको ये हिम्मत देकर ही जाएगा. और वो जुनून, आपका passion, आपके अंदर से बोलेगा, not from the outside world. So keep working for language, make it as a first language, and work hard. That's it. Thank you very much, and it was nice talking to you. Enjoy your journey. Have a nice one. Take care. Bye-bye.
I just love the energy of this dude, because and I also love this thing about Sam, because he told me that if you're working on the accent of English, then make sure that you learn it from those who have brought this language to our country, not by those who are still making this language. So many people just used to say me, bro, like, is this your real language, or are you like trying to fake this language? But he is the first one who told me that try to do more work on your English.
Yes.
So that's how we understand each other, by not giving anyone the jealous part, by not giving anyone the hateful part, but by bringing the peace, harmony, and love to everyone.
Exactly.
By understanding.
You are the one who defines yourself, not the public. You are the one first and on the priority basis. Once you keep defining yourself on your behalf, on your belief system, keep working on your belief system. Nobody has the right to change or restrict or constrict your belief system. You have the right to make it up, and once you start doing it, progressing, you will certainly find a difference in your coming future. Thank you very much once again. Have a nice day and a nice journey. Bye-bye for now.
Thank you so much, Sam. Thank you so
Take care.
much. Yeah. So right now we're over here with one of our guests from Thailand, Bangkok. His name is Lee, and Lee is from where you said?
From Liverpool in England, but I live in Bangkok, Thailand.
Yeah.
My first time in India. I've been here 2.5 weeks. I've been very impressed with the people of India. You guys are so nice and friendly and kind.
Thank you.
I've been to Delhi. I'm in Delhi now, and I went to, where did I go? Rishikesh to do meditation and yoga. Next year I will definitely come back with my family. This time I came on my own to try it for myself, and I loved it. So next time I'll come with my wife, and we will go to Kerala and
Kerala.
what did I say? Seven Sisters.
Yeah.
And what's the other one? Kashmir.
Kashmir.
But your country is beautiful. I know you guys have a bit of a bad reputation around the world, but I, for one, will be helping to change that. When anyone asks me about India, I will tell them what a beautiful country you have, and the people are really, really friendly. So thank you very much, and namaste.
Thank you so much, Mr. Lee. And I want to admit this thing, that our India, it has everything from north to south, from east to west. There is a different thing that you can feel about India.
Very exciting, very big country. So I hope to explore all of it in the coming years. It's such a big country. Like you say, you have snow up the north, you have the beaches in the south. So there's so many places to explore. You have the nature in the Seven Sisters. So yeah, a lot for me to discover. But so far, it's my first time, and I absolutely love it. So thank you guys.
Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. So right now I'm at Jama Masjid, and Jama Masjid is a place the mosque that has been claimed to be the that has been claimed like a historic monument for the foreigners, for the travelers, and for the people. So right now I'm at Jama Masjid, and I'm going to show you how is it all look like. So here you can see these are some of the part of Jama Masjid, and just look at this thing. These guys are selling rose water, purse, bags and purses, shoes as you can see, and utensils. Alright, so we're over here with one of my friend Aman, and Aman is from Delhi only, and I just met him over here in Connaught Place in CP. Aman, please introduce yourself, bro.
Hello guys, to all the viewers, I am Aman Tiwari and I recently met Mayank, and it's quite funny how we met. We met randomly on the street and he introduced me to his channel, and I hope he gets good numbers over this channel also, because he's a really hardworking guy.
Thank you so much, bro.
Yeah,
And
all the best.
thank you so much. And that's all what we want. I want all my viewers to please give your love and everything
Yeah,
to
please
me.
subscribe to the channel, guys.
Please subscribe to the channel and give your like and share to everything, because I'm putting my sweat and blood to this channel, and I am that serious about YouTube.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Aman, for meeting me and for telling me about. Even he motivated me. He motivated me that if you have less subscriber count right now, that doesn't matter, but you should go on with it. So thank you so much, Aman.
Do that. All the best, bhai. All the best.
Thank you so much. Alright, so everyone, ek kadam aage with Skill in a Box. We are, as you can see, with all of them, and now we want one of them to tell about these things. Please.
So hey guys, we are from Skill in a Box and हम फैशन डिजाइनिंग सिखाते हैं. So if you want to work with us और फैशन डिजाइनिंग सीखनी है तो डेफिनेटली आप हमें रीच आउट कर सकते हैं हमारे इंस्टाग्राम पेज से Skill in a Box फैशन. आपको हमारा इंस्टाग्राम पेज मिल जाएगा, एंड इसमें हम आपको पूरा 1 ईयर का फैशन डिजाइनिंग कोर्स सिखाते हैं, लाइक बेसिक टू एडवांस, जिसमें आप ये सारे आउटफिट जो आप देख रहे हैं ये सब हमने खुद बनाए हैं. आपको हमारे इंस्टाग्राम के पेज में भी दिख जाएगा. सो यस, यू गाइस वांट टू से समथिंग और
अगर आप भी ये ऐसे आउटफिट्स बनाना चाहते हो तो डू रीच आउट टू अस. हम आपको ये सब बनाना सिखाएंगे, सारी टेक्निक्स, और किस तरह से सब स्टिच करा जाता है, कैसे डिजाइन करा जाता है, सब कुछ.
और आप भी घर बैठे बैठे एक डिजाइनर बन सकते हो,
बिकॉज हमारा जो प्लेटफॉर्म है वो ऑनलाइन है, हम ऑनलाइन सिखाते हैं. तो आप घर बैठे बैठे कभी भी अपना समय निकाल सकते हैं और फैशन डिजाइनिंग सीख सकते हैं.
So basically, these all things are all about fashion designing, and I must admire this thing. These all our outfits are looking crazily amazing, and they all are dope as shooting on them all. So thank you so much, guys. God bless you all. Thank you. Adorable angels from heaven. Thank you so much.
और आप Skill in a Box को भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं.
Please do share Skill in a Box. एक कदम आगे. Please say एक कदम आगे. Thank you so much. So right now I'm with my friend Mohammed Talib, and Talib was over here in Connaught Place, and he was just eating Maggie, and I asked him that will you offer me your Maggie, and he said yes, I'm gonna offer you my Maggie. I hope that he didn't get offended from that. Did you get offended from my thing? Straight away, yes, I didn't. I don't think he got what I said, but yes, he's a really cool guy. Now let me try the Maggie that I asked for, and like this thing, and it's amazing, and really very tasty and delicious. Thank you, bro. Thank you for offering me your Maggie. And look over here, we got 2 cuties in one frame. One cutie over this side and one cutie over this side. Boom, 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 boom. She's so adorable, isn't she?
इसको कोई ज्यादा पैसे दे जाना इसके कुछ
She's so adorable. Excuse me, can you please record a video? Can you please record a video? So like, I'm getting her into my arms, but she is in sleep and she's saying, "Don't disturb me." Please wait. Hey, what's up, kitty? Kitty is saying, "Just leave me alone." Okay. I think I shouldn't disturb her. Or she gonna slap me with her paws. Thank you so much for recording my video, sir. All right, so over here with two more brothers right now. One brother is Abdullah, another one. Your name? Arshad over here. And bro, these guys are so amazing, so fucking legends. And I just wanted to tell, if you're watching this vlog, make sure to drop a like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.